I'm going to take 3/4 cup of milk and put it in this medium saucepan and put it over heat until it bubbles. Now that the milk is bubbling, I'm going to put in a 1/4 cup of margarine and stir until it melts. So the butter is melted, so now it's going to sit on the counter and cool until it's lukewarm. Put in 2 1/4 cup of flour, and then I'll put in a 1/4 cup of white sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, and a packet of yeast. So I mixed all that up, so now I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of water, 1 egg, and then my milk mixture. And I'm going to mix it all up. So now I'm going to take the remaining cup of flour and add it in a little bit at a time. Now that the dough all came together in the mixer, you're just going to knead it for about 5 minutes on a floured surface. So I'm going to take a cup of brown sugar, put it in this bowl, a tablespoon of cinnamon, and then half a cup of softened margarine. And then I'm going to mix it all up together. The dough's been sitting for 10 minutes under a damp cloth, so now I'm going to roll it out into a 12 by 9 inch rectangle. Now that I rolled this out, I'm going to take my cinnamon mixture. I'm going to spread it all across the dough. Now that I spread the cinnamon mixture on it, I'm going to roll it up into one piece, and then lift and put on the cutting board and start cutting it into 12 equal sized pieces. Cut it all up. We're just going to put these all onto this pan here, and then we'll put it into our oven, which is preheated to 375. Now I'm going to put these into the oven at 375 degrees for 20 minutes. Take the cinnamon rolls out of the oven.